Stop a yawn in its tracks by pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth. This simple trick interrupts the yawn reflex, leaving you wide-eyed and more present. Ever wondered why we even yawn in the first place? It's a mysterious blend of social and physiological signals, but when you're in a meeting or class, yawning can feel awkward. By touching the roof of your mouth, you're sending a subtle signal to your brain to halt the yawn cascade, effectively resetting your body's autopilot. This hack might sound like a magic trick, but it's rooted in the way our nervous system communicates, offering a quick fix for those moments when a yawn sneaks up on you. So next time you feel that yawn creeping in, remember this tongue-to-roof maneuver and watch as the urge to yawn fades away.